Have you ever wondered what groundbreaking gadgets are set to redefine our world? Imagine holding the latest innovations that blend seamlessly into your life, making the impossible possible. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 cutting-edge tech gadgets of the future that you simply can't miss. Let's dive right in. HoloLens 3, the ultimate augmented reality experience. Have you ever wished you could bring your digital world into the real one? Enter HoloLens 3, Microsoft's latest augmented reality headset. Imagine working on a project and having holographic blueprints right in front of you, or playing an immersive game where characters come to life in your living room. HoloLens 3 takes AR to the next level with enhanced hand tracking, eye movement detection, and a more expansive field of view. The HoloLens 3 isn't just for gamers and tech enthusiasts, it's a powerful tool for professionals across various industries. Architects can walk clients through a 3D model of a building before construction begins. Surgeons can visualize complex procedures with holographic guides. Educators can take students on virtual field trips around the world. The possibilities are endless. With its lightweight design and improved battery life, the HoloLens 3 makes extended use comfortable and practical, transforming your environment into a mixed reality playground. The HoloLens 3 is expected to be priced around $3,500, making it a significant investment primarily for professionals and enterprises. It is set to hit the market in mid-2024, and pre-orders will be available through Microsoft's official website and select tech retailers. TeslaBot, your personal AI assistant. Imagine a world where robots are not just a fantasy but a reality in your home. TeslaBot is set to revolutionize personal assistance with its advanced AI and human-like agility. Need help with household chores, carrying groceries, or even just a friendly companion? TeslaBot can do it all. Standing at 5.8 inches and equipped with cameras and sensors, it navigates your home effortlessly, responding to voice commands and learning from interactions to better serve your needs. TeslaBot is designed to handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up your time for more important activities. It can clean your home, prepare simple meals, and even assist with elderly care by providing companionship and monitoring health metrics. Its AI capabilities allow it to learn from its environment and improve over time, becoming more efficient and helpful. The future where robots assist us in our daily lives is here, and it starts with the TeslaBot, making our homes smarter and our lives easier. The TeslaBot is projected to be priced at around $10,000, positioning it as a premium household gadget. It is expected to be available by late 2024, with pre-orders opening earlier in the year on Tesla's website and select technology outlets. Apple Glass, the future of smart eyewear. Have you ever imagined wearing glasses that do more than just improve your vision? Apple Glass is here to change the game. These smart glasses look like stylish accessories but offer powerful features like augmented reality displays, real-time notifications, and even health monitoring. Imagine walking through a new city with turn-by-turn navigation displayed right in front of your eyes, or getting instant translations while reading a foreign menu. Apple Glass seamlessly integrates with your iPhone, providing a hands-free experience for accessing information and staying connected. The AR display overlays digital information in the real world, making tasks like shopping, exercising, and traveling more intuitive. For instance, you can receive reminders and notifications without looking at your phone, track your workouts with real-time stats, or get visual cues to improve your golf swing. With its sleek design and advanced technology, Apple Glass is the ultimate companion for the modern world, blending style and functionality effortlessly. Apple Glass is anticipated to start at $499, making it relatively affordable compared to other high-tech wearables. It was released in early 2024 and will be available through Apple's website, Apple stores, and major electronics retailers. Neuralink, bridging minds and machines. What if you could control devices with just your thoughts? Neuralink, Elon Musk's brainchild, aims to make this a reality. This cutting-edge gadget involves a tiny implant in your brain that interfaces with computers and smart devices. Imagine typing a message, browsing the internet, or even playing a video game with mere thought. Neuralink has the potential to revolutionize not just how we interact with technology, but also how we approach medical conditions. For individuals with paralysis or neurodegenerative diseases, Neuralink offers a new way to communicate and interact with their environment. Beyond medical applications, it opens up possibilities for enhancing cognitive functions and creating new forms of human-computer interaction. The technology is still in its early stages, but its promise is vast. Neuralink holds the potential to merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence, creating a future where our thoughts seamlessly control the digital world. Due to the complexity and the advanced nature of the technology, Neuralink is expected to be quite expensive, potentially costing upwards of $10,000 initially. It is currently undergoing clinical trials, with broader availability anticipated by the end of 2024. Pre-orders and more information will be available through Neuralink's official channels. DJI Mavic 4, the next-gen drone. Are you ready to see the world from new heights? The DJI Mavic 4 drone takes aerial photography and videography to unparalleled levels. With advanced AI-driven flight modes, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and a 1-inch sensor capable of 8K video, capturing stunning visuals has never been easier. Imagine documenting your travels, creating breathtaking cinematic footage, or even exploring hard-to-reach places, all from a bird's-eye view. The Mavic 4 isn't just for professional filmmakers. It's user-friendly enough for hobbyists and enthusiasts. Its AI-driven modes allow for creative shots like never before, including automatic subject tracking and complex flight patterns that would be difficult to achieve manually. The enhanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safe flights, even in challenging environments. With longer battery life and improved connectivity, the Mavic 4 offers extended flight times and a more reliable control experience. The Mavic 4 is more than just a drone. It's a tool for limitless creativity and exploration, providing new perspectives on the world around us. The DJI Mavic 4 is expected to start at $1,999, making it a premium choice for both professionals and serious hobbyists. It was made available in early 2024 through DJI's official website, authorized dealers, and major electronics stores. From augmented reality headsets and personal AI assistants to smart eyewear, brain-computer interfaces, and next-gen drones, these cutting-edge tech gadgets are set to transform our lives in unimaginable ways. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, these innovations promise to bring convenience, efficiency, and excitement to your everyday life. With that being said, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.